Welcome back! Today we are going inside my purse to see how it might be able to help you on the White Collar Housewife. I want you to go grab your purse because we're going to do this together. I like to change out my purse frequently. I know a lot of us do. I have a lot of purses and I like to use them. But I don't like to dig through my purse and constantly be transferring what it is that I need that's important and then finding gum and all kinds of other stuff in the bottom. You don't know what it is. So I have turned to compartmentalizing everything that goes in my purse. And the trick with that is if you do it correctly, you don't even have to take most of your stuff when you leave the house. You've dumped out your purse and now we are going to start putting it into smaller compartments. First, I use this wristlet as my essentials. This is all that I would take out if I leave. I've been doing this for years. I use this 90% of the time. It's what my children recognize as my purse, and it has never failed me. Inside we have keys, phone, wallet. That's really all you need when you leave the house. If you have those things, you're gonna be fine. You can use a napkin to blow your nose. You can get chapstick when you get home. You can borrow a stranger's pen, but you have to have these things. So put that in your essentials purse. This is the next purse that I use. It's actually bigger than my wristlet. I use this when I go out for a social engagement or to volunteer or something, and I know that I'm gonna need maybe some chapstick, maybe, well, mace, whatever I might need goes in here. So I'll dump mine out. You start making a pile with yours. Get those essentials. I have a bag for grocery shopping, hand sanitizer naturally, chopstick, a little knife. Be careful if you go to the airport, they don't like these. Mace, not really sure that they're excited about that either. And some Kleenex. Oh, and a pen. But that's not all that you need. You don't just need the essentials and a couple of extras. When I'm going traveling for a day trip, this is so embarrassing, for a day trip where I might want to end up taking a nap or I might be in a noisy location, maybe I'm on the train, I take this travel one. Inside I have a sleeping mask, earplugs, and Dramamine usually. So this is, if I'm going in the car or the train or the airplane, I take this one. Next, makeup. Keep your makeup contained because you do not want it dripping all over everything. I don't have to explain the horrible reasons that you don't put makeup directly in any kind of a purse. This is what I have if I'm going to go out, but I know a lot of people carry a lot more than that. I don't keep my makeup in here all the time because I don't want it to expire. So this is actually makeup just from my drawer that I would pack in the day of. Keep some other small bags around so that when you go out you could put like snacks in one. My daughter and I use this to go take candy into the movie theater because it's more quiet than those plastic bags. Like this one for long things, like if I'm going to have tickets that I need to carry around. So take your items, put them in their corresponding bag. To store my purses on the shelf, I have this pot rack holder from IKEA, and I actually bought it for my dishes and it just didn't work out very well. So I am repurposing it as a purse holder. For this one, I took some of the dividers off here. I'm putting them back on, but like this. But I took them off so that I could accommodate this larger purse without having to squish everything too much or let it out too much. Now I can just choose a purse, pack up what I want. I know it's all in there. And just like that, I'm ready to go. Thank you so much for letting me help you organize your purse. In the comments below, let me know what kind of things you found in your purse that needed their own special bag. I'd love to hear that, as well as let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more from the White Collar Housewife.